So, Pitbike Adventures 5. So, Pitbike Adventures 5 coming at you. In the fourth one, I broke my rear suspension. You know, going down the far side. So, we're gonna go back up there and explore that again. Kind of just up and down there and in the middle all around. Ooh, we gotta be careful in here. There's mega ruts. Alright. Oh, we're gonna be riding into the sun. It's a good thing I brought some sunglasses. Cool. This is a pretty rough area though. But I like this area. Wait, oh yeah. Forgot where the little pathway was. So yeah, the other video, that rear, I put the new rear suspension in. It ain't bad, it is stiff, I'll say that. So it's kind of, you know, it holds, but it beats you up a little on the bumps. But it's better than no suspension, but I don't know really what other suspension I could get, you know. And they put it the wrong way, so my other video's up if you want to go see that though. But we went down there, that's pretty bad, but I like this. Suspension seems to be doing fine, you know. I don't think it's gonna break for a long time again, you know. But we need new screws or bolts to hold it, which I will be getting. But check out this pretty sick area. There's like this whole valley and stuff. Oh, we just hit like a branch and it got caught. Make sure everything's good, chain's good, suspension's still there. Okay, keep riding. I want to go up that way, but I don't know. I don't really know if there is anything up there, but screw it. This is definitely off-roading it. There really is nothing up here, but it's pretty bad. Rocks everywhere. But this will let me know if the suspension's gonna, you know, last a little while. Cactus. Yeah, they put like all the rocks and stuff up here. Cool. Going over this thing. Dang, dude. You see that ramp right there? That thing? And like up and down there? That looks fun, dude. There's people still down there working, so we're not gonna go down there yet. Maybe later though. Maybe we'll come back, hit that little ramp, hit a little jump or something. I'm really looking through, like through here, if there's a little pathway, which it looks like there is a little one, or a deer trail at least, which is good enough for me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Which way? Which way? Okay, we're going this way. That fork in the road came up a little bit too fast. Oh, this is kind of cool. It's like there's little flat planes. There's like nothing in there. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. Oh, this is just kind of first second. You know, oh, dude, look at the view. Look at that. Oh, man, that's a good view. That's better than the other hill. Like from right here, you can even see the stoplights down there. And I don't know if you can see, you probably can't see, but there's a road. That's like the one that I went down one time, and yeah. Pretty cool area. I like this. It's a fun little off-road area. Yo, what's up, dear? You see that boy? Hey, Johnny. You good, buddy? Probably can't see him, but he's right between those two bushes, moving his little ear. I'm coming for you, buddy. He's still there. Oh, hang on, buddy. Problem is there's so many rocks. There he goes. There wasn't as many rocks, this would be a fine. Like at that other part. Where'd he go, Johnny? Oh, there he is. Alright, we'll leave Johnny alone. Ooh, not right into that. I need to tighten my clutch up. My clutch is loose as heck. Also, my shifting is bad because it's a lot higher than I normally am used to, but whatever. I'm just bad. So pretty nice little meadow that comes through here. I'll take note of that. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We'll go, there was... Holy crap. This is beating up on the Tao. The suspension isn't that good in general, but then with this stiff rear shock, it's pretty bad as well. We'll go through here. I think I already went this way before, but I'll come back through. Whoa, easy there. Pretty sure I might have already showed y'all this, but maybe I didn't. There's kind of a trail through here that leads to the other one. It's not really worn down yet. It's kind of hard to ride on as well. But it kind of goes through here. It kind of goes up that way, but I'm just coming through here. But there's also this pathway. Oh, is that your whole family, Johnny? What's going on, man? So there's another path. That's the main one we go on, but I kind of want to take it through here. Go down this way. See what's cooking. Huh. Are we going in? I don't really see a way out. If we go in, but... Oh, dang it. It's gonna get to like 95 or 100 during the summer like this. So I'll probably have to start riding at night. Might stick a little light on this dude. Yeah. That would be pretty nice. But you've seen this trail before, quite a few times probably. It leads to the back of the mattress little area. Whoa. They added a few stakes up in here. Whoops, I was in second gear. So there's that little hunting thing. Did they add anything to the junkyards? No, they didn't. We could go check the big one. There's like a fridge in there. Who needs a fridge? We've been up that way. That's not really anything to the left. Oh, it smells like... I don't know. There's really not much left to explore, guys. I'm sorry. I've pretty much explored almost everything in this area because I've been riding here for like 4 or 5 months now. But I'm just gonna keep making these types of videos, obviously. See if I can mess around and find something else to do. You know? What I'm hoping is whenever I get that new carb, I can pop wheelies in second. Because being completely honest, you can't pop wheelies in a second with this, with the stock carb. I've tried so many times off camera and you just can't. And then in first, you can really only pop wheelies. What the heck? You can really only pop wheelies in first if you're going slow. So, yeah. Bro, but look at all these nice pallets. Like, I'd literally come take these. I'm not even kidding ya. Maybe I won't. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll get the truck out here. Take some of them. But like, bro, I'd use those in the barn. Like, if they're just going to trash. Maybe we should go get them. Bush's chicken? Bam! I'm sorry, Sonny. I love Bush's. Cool. Hang on, let's check out this motor. Honda 120. Please stay in there though, Sonny. Honda 120 GS or GX 120. That ain't looking bad, Sonny. Might need to change the oil on that boy. But yeah, like this, good wrench right there. You got a broken pull start. You open? Knock knock. Oh, dude, it's a manual. Wait, is there a key? I don't know, the door's stuck shut or the key. Probably the key. Ooh, look at this fine man right here. Like you, Sonny, but that would be sick to bribe. Check brake fluid daily. Well, yeah, it probably leaks. Top speed on this is 80 miles per hour. Got a good manual. Like, not gonna lie, this would actually kind of be fun to drive. Like one of those things. Highway diesel only. Oh, and then you got your boy over here. Hopefully there ain't anybody coming out here to freaking wreck me. I'm just taking a look, my guys. Whew. Could use this to build a dirt bike track. That would help a lot. They just never leave the keys in them. Whoa, it's a lot bigger than I thought. It's actually pretty spacious up here. Look at that. Brah. 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 Got some pretty nice stuff. That's what I like to see. Man, this thing's huge. Look at this. This thing's freaking crazy. Just need to strap some LEDs on here. That'll gain you like a 10 miles per hour. Oh, that thing's broken, man. I'll probably need to fix that. They got that. Huh. Pretty cool out here though, right guys? I don't really know. Like, what else do you want me to do? Ooh. Wait, what the? Was this thing always this tall? I don't remember this thing being that tall. Maybe it always was this tall and I'm just stupid because I never got close to it. Whew. Climbing. Looking pretty good out here. Man, dude's clean up nicely. Your boy could be losing it. Oh yeah, wait. Oh yeah, I think these were there for a little while. Wasn't it? No way, that wasn't there. Oh yeah, it probably was there. Oh, right through the weeds, almost into a stake. Oh, this is a bad part. I really need to clean out my carburetor because I kind of ride it not that well, honestly, but it's like a forgiving bike, so you can kind of ride it like that, but your carburetor's definitely gonna feel it. Maybe we can get that new carbon. Oh, is it dried up? Please tell me it's dried up, like all the way. Let's see. Oh, well, that's fine. Looks like somebody else came through here. Maybe that was Alex or one of my other buddies. Looks good enough to me. Man, this grass is tall. They need to cut this. Holy, it's so bumpy. Oh, that almost flung me off. Whenever it was kind of dried, but it was like flattened. That was pretty good. I'm gonna keep making these as much as I can. I might start uploading them kind of like raw footage, but like maybe do them kind of shorter, you know? Because that would be a lot easier on me, and I'd be able to do like a lot of them, but I need ideas. So if you got any ideas for Pitbike adventures, just leave them down below and that would be amazing. But yeah, see y'all on the next one as always, boys. Take care.